Hey guys. All right, so we're back with more One Stormy Night. We are on the seventh part of the eight-part cut up. Essentially it's one movie, but whoever uploaded it online cut it up into eight parts, and it's been actually really helpful for me because I'm currently watching a bunch of shows. So these being cut up in like, you know, 10 to 12 minute segments has been really helpful. At least in terms of me actually doing them. So anyway, we're on part seven. The last thing that we saw, they Mai or May and Gabu um basically made it to were able to escape, the two groups, but the wolves are still after them, Gabu's group. So we're gonna see what happens there. The only thing I found really interesting was how Gabu and Mai or May were like kind of fighting a bit over the fact that he's essentially a predator and that he has to eat meat. And May was kind of like annoyed with him, even though it's like, dude, he's a wolf. And he was doing the common courtesy of at least eating away from you. I don't know. But they got interrupted, so I don't know if they're gonna ever continue that conversation. But we'll see what happens. Anyway, if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. It does help me out. And I do have a Patreon. It's in the description below. $3 a month gives you 2 week early access to my reactions, as well as the unedited versions of all my videos. All right, let's get started. All right. Wait, part one. Whoops. I clicked on part seven.
Hey, did you just hear voices?
I thought so. Sounded like they were over there. No, the bushes are masking the scent. Start searching the area around here.
Oh wow, they're really close there.
Huh? What's
Mm.
up?
Beach, look!
Gabu?
There's some pretty little flowers blooming right here.
Huh. Beautiful. Well,
Aw.
make sure you don't step on them.
I'll be careful.
Hey, Zach,
Mhm.
do you think Barry's gonna find Gabu and that little goat first?
Yeah, Barry's the best tracker out of us all in the pack. He'll find them. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go look over here now.
Well, sounds good to me.
May,
Oh, he
get it!
stepped on May's foot.
Zach,
Whoa.
it's Gab. It's Gab. It's Gab. Barry! We found Gabu!
Wow. Damn, they found him really fast. We're gonna get away. Oh, of course, the cliff.
Hey, where did they go? Was it this way?
No, definitely this way.
May, jump for it!
Oh, smart.
Gabu!
Oh, they're getting away!
Oh, nice. That actually works, so now the other wolves can't
Gonna
follow.
be able to make it over, Barry.
Hurrah! I can see that.
That's funny. Cool. They got away more.
Gabu, I'm sorry about what I said before.
It's
Okay,
all
cool.
right. I understand,
Apology.
May. We've climbed quite a way, haven't we?
Yeah,
Mhm.
and I'm tired enough to know it.
Ah, look over there, May. You can see Pleasant Mountain from up here.
You sure can. I can also see Chomping Gorges.
They look so small from all the way up here.
We used to live in those little places, didn't we?
Mhm.
Yeah. And every day we would
It's a nice
chase
view.
and be chased, hide away and seek after. It
Mhm.
was such a bother.
You are funny. Really. I never thought I'd hear a wolf say something like that.
Mhm.
You're not the only one.
Gabu, there's something I need to tell you.
What's that?
I'm really glad I met you on that stormy night.
Really? Well,
On
I
that
feel
one.
the same.
God damn it! Not gonna say it.
Hey, May, do you really believe there's another forest?
There is. There has to be.
I bet you it's perfect. It's gonna be great.
Only if you're there, Gabu.
Aw, he blushed. Damn, the wolves are persistent. Just stop. Let them be. Aw, old.
I'm sure it'll clear up by morning, May.
Yeah. We'll have perfect weather tomorrow.
It got worse. Like, I'm sure it's gonna clear up tomorrow. It ain't gonna be that bad.
May, are you all right?
Aw.
I'm sorry, Gabu. I can't walk any further.
Aw. Like a little igloo. Aw. Man, Gabu's like MVP here. he's going against a lot of his stuff, man.
May? Oh, May, come on. Stay with me. Please don't die. We'll make it
Aw.
together. I promise you.
Like cuddle him. Snuggle. Great body heat.
May?
Thank you, Gabu. Again.
You're alive! Oh, thank heavens you're alive! May!
May look so nonchalant right now, though. Aw.
Doesn't sound like it's letting up.
I think you're right. May?
Oh, it's making it worse? Oh, whoa, is he getting hungry? Oh, damn. Oh, Gabu. Dude, it's only been like a day since
Did
you haven't
I
eaten.
suddenly look delicious to you?
What? No, you didn't look delicious at all.
It's
Just be
all right,
honest.
Gabu. I know that you haven't been able to find anything to eat out there in the snow, and you've been
Yeah, I guess
without
maybe it has
food
been a
for
couple
so
days.
many days now. And as for
Okay, so it has been a
myself,
couple days.
I'll never
I wasn't
survive
sure. I
much
thought it was like a
better.
day.
Listen, Gabu, you'll have to live for the both of us.
What? May, what are you talking about?
Hmm?
Gabu, you're a true friend, and I consider myself very lucky to have made a friend who'd risk his life for me, and for whom I would do the same.
If that really is how you think of me, May, then I would say I'm the one who was really lucky.
So then, you won't argue with me when I tell you to eat well, and to cross over this mountain in good health.
May, what are you saying? There's nothing here to eat.
It's right here in front of you, aren't I?
Damn.
May, stop it! How could you even think I'd eat you?
Well,
May, no!
No way he's gonna do it.
Stop
No way.
rumbling! You stupid stomach!
No way he's gonna do it. There's no way.
Stop rumbling! Stop it! Forgive me. Why won't it stop?
Gabu,
Aw.
It's not fair. Oh, May, why
Poor
do we have to be
Gabu.
born the way that we are.
Aw.
Why am I a wolf?
Gabu, listen. Answer me honestly, okay? That very first night when we met in the old barn, if you'd known right away that I was a goat, what would you have done?
I'd have eaten you.
See now? It's okay. Just pretend it's like that first time. Yeah?
Oh no, man.
But if it's
That
a
one could probably
choice
still last
between
another
one of us
day.
surviving or both of us starving to death, it really doesn't matter, does it? We'll never see each other ever again, and we'll never have the chance to sit and watch the moon rise together. It hurts just
Aw.
to think about it, May.
I feel the same.
Don't
But
do
you
it.
have to remember something, Gabu. Friendship, life, everything eventually ends. But the fact that we became friends, or the time that we spent together, that will never disappear.
Don't eat him.
Right?
Please don't go this route. Please.
I guess you're right. It just would have been nice if this had lasted a little longer.
Yeah.
But as my friend, I'll honor your wish. May, I'll go outside. When I come back, I'll pretend I don't know you. Hey, a tasty goat. Look at this. Just sitting here waiting for me. What a treat.
Okay. Gabu, my friend. Take care of yourself. And goodbye.
I will. I promise. Goodbye.
No way. Something's gonna happen. Something's gotta happen. He
Do it
actually walked out.
fast.
That's funny. Yeah, he's walking out really along, far away.
How could I possibly kill my best friend?
Right. Oh, is he looking for food? Looking for something.
Nothing.
Damn.
There's not a single blade of grass growing anywhere. If only we could live on snow.
I mean, it's water. Oh, he looks so sad. Ah, okay. So that's gonna be the last part of it. Okay. I forgot. We're on part 7 of 8. So we're near the end. So we do have the last 14 minutes of it. So we'll see what happens next week. Don't eat them. Please don't eat. I don't think it's gonna go that route. I don't think so. But damn, that sucked. But wait, one more part. We'll see how they get out of it. I'm really excited. I believe that they're not gonna die. That's just my thing. um. I hope. I hope. I don't know. Movies nowadays can go anywhere, so we'll see. All right, guys, it for this one. See you guys next time. Bye.